Hello, Miss Bass here. I wanted to say hi, and I wanted to just give you a little refresh about the what we are reviewing right now. And we're talking about AR verbs, and so things that I want you to remember. I want you to go back and review your subject pronouns, and once you identify again what the singular and the plural forms are, the first, second, and third person, remember the first person is always where you are included, even if it's singular or plural. The second person is that you're talking to, even if it's singular or plural. And the third person is whatever is not first person or second person. So whatever is not yo or tú, then is third person, even if it is not a person, even if it's a house or a car or a dog or whatever. So that's something to remember. Once you identify your subject pronouns, or you remember your subject pronouns, then you're going to remember the endings. So you have a practice for the endings. So it's a song. So I hope that it's kind of gonna be in your minds, and then you can add the right endings. Remember, to conjugate the verb, you drop the AR, that's the ending of the verb, you keep the stem, and then you add the AR. So let's see if I'll try to make an example here of what I'm saying. So first thing I was asking you to do is to remember your subject pronouns. So your subject pronouns in singular are yo, tú, okay, that has tú, usted, that we know it abbreviates like usted, and then is él and ella. Oh, let's put that one separated so we know. And this one will be the first person. Let's try doing that here. This one will be first person, and this will be second person, and this will be third person. But to conjugate, remember that these three that you see right here go together. Okay, so let's make another one for the plural forms. That is nosotros o nosotras. Is vosotros, that is used only in Spain. Let's put here only Spain. Okay, and then ustedes, that's the plural form of usted, and you can abbreviate it like this. And then you have ellos or ellas, and that's your third person. So once you identify this part, it makes it easier to know the endings, to how to add the endings. So when you, oops, wrong one. When you go to conjugate the verb, so you go with your pronoun, and then you have to identify, remember what the ending is. So we have o, as, a, amos, an. So for yo would be o. That's the ending. So that means that if I'm going to use a verb ending AR, I take the AR off and I put hablo. Because I'm doing let's just do this. Oops. Yeah. Technical difficulties. Tú hablas. And then usted habla. Él, wrong one. Él habla. Ella habla. Okay, so we have our singular persons right there. And now we're going to do our plural ones. So for the plural ones is nosotros hablamos o nosotras. Let's not forget nosotros o nosotras. Hablamos, vosotros o vosotras, habláis, habláis, ustedes hablan, ellos, ellas hablan. And that's it. So now when you have your conjugation verbs, you do the same with any regular verb that ends in AR, remember. I think that's all that you need for now. That's what you need to review. That's our first review. So let's try it. See how it goes. I'll see you. Keep posting something. Bye.